Alden, it's your update. Congrats kay Alden. And suppose na Sparker Jamie Artist Center. Another milestone for Alden Richards. Congratulations to Asian Multimedia star Alden Richards on being named the 2024 Box Office King by the Cinema Exhibitors Association of the Philippines o CEAP for his movie Hello Love Again. Yun, no? Congrats kay Alden. And Box Office King, no? Alden Richards. Grabe yun. Grabe si Alden, no? Masaya mga fans ni Alden. Diyan ginanap sa Gateway Mall Arena at Netang Center Dubai. Yung speech ni Alden.
Hello Love Again is one of the films that really made a mark and impact in the Philippine industry in terms of performance and how it affected the lives of the people who have watched it. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga sinihan. Mga may-ari ng sinihan. Mahal ko rin po kayo. Let's go! First, I would like to thank, of course, Star Cinema for the opportunity again. Sir Chris, I love you guys. And of course, Miss Annette of GMA Pictures for making this possible for a lot of people who have anticipated the sequel for the first film. And ako po, as movie producer, director na rin po as well ngayon, I still believe in the power of the local cinema, the local films that we have. We have what it takes po to produce contents that's, you know, can be at par with the ones of the internationals. So, maraming salamat po. Please, patuloy po nating supportahan ang local films, the Philippine movie industry. And once again, kahit cliché man, mabuhay pa rin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
And IG story ni Alden, and nauwi na nga niya yung award, you know. Congrats kay Alden. Sabi niya maraming salamat CEAP, you know. And that. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.